At least I shaved, so I'm not all scruffy for
There
that.
you go. All right, so.
I'll try to keep the screaming to a minimum.
Right. Yeah, he's one of my more difficult patients to adjust, so we'll see what I can get done today. Sometimes you can't judge a book by its cover. Sometimes it's the smaller ones that are harder to adjust, but he's big and difficult. So let's get you on your back face up. I'll give you the works today. Oh, did you feel that? I got a little,
Oh, there we go.
And I just said how hard he was to adjust. Got to remove all weapons of mass destruction. All right, now we're ready. It's like we haven't done this before.
I was so nervous about the camera that I just forgot everything.
Yeah, what I'm going to do is just loosen everything up and do the side posture last. And hopefully that'll make that a little easier and the hug move easier. Now that's good. Yeah, a little ticklish there, but it's not too bad. All right, on your belly, face down. Let's really massage that middle back and stretch it out with the flexion table. Is that okay?
Yeah.
I'm going to lower the middle section a little bit. Still good?
Yeah.
Perfect, that looks better to me. I'm going to buzz ya. See if you're loose enough. Oh yeah, I think I can get that now. All right, let's get you on your right side. You got it. Lower this down a bit. And remember to hold on nice and good there. Any pain with that?
No.
Okay, breathe in, exhaling. I got it. Let's do the other side. Still doing okay? Yeah. Oh, it already went. Breathe in, exhaling. Oh, I got a lot. I'm gonna do a little more to that neck.
All right.
Well, we got some pops with the stretching. Just wanna make sure we got it all. See how there's a little bit left down there? So I'll keep it real light. See? This one's more for balance. Perfect. All right, last but not least, this is the reason why he had to come back. Actually, scoot down the table just a little bit. Perfect, right there. All right, and this goes under, this goes over. Lift your head up and breathe out. Oh, that's what we needed.
Heard that.
How does that feel?
Much better.
Awesome. All right, that did a lot better than we hoped. No, that went really good.
The drum and different.